good evening, wherever you guys are at. My name is Jameer, Amir, whatever you guys want to call me. I do not care. So let's just get straight into this video. Waste no time. So today's verse of the day is going to be Galatians 6:4. Pay careful attention to your own work, for then you will get satisfaction of a job well done, and you won't need to compare yourself to anyone else. Now, what does this mean inside of trading or entrepreneurship in general, whether you're a brand scaler, day trader, e-com, commercial real estate, whatever? What does this mean? So I'll give an example for traders, etc. All of us entrepreneurs. You go on Twitter, right? You're seeing all types of stuff, and you may have made $1,000 a day. Even you could be profitable already, making $1,000 a day, right? $30K a month. You open up Twitter, someone just requested a $30K payout because they made that in one day. So when you just constantly keep comparing yourself, you're just gonna feel like you're in a box. Someone else is not on the same level as you. You have to understand that there's levels to this entrepreneurship stuff, and you cannot let that tear you down. Everyone's time will come. Just be patient. And oftentimes we compare ourselves saying, oh, if they're making this much money, how can I make this much money? They've been trading way longer than you. They've been doing all types of different things. You don't know where they got the money from. Their parents could have just gave them $1 million to trade, etc. You don't know what they have going on behind that screen. So just keep that in mind. Now, into this lesson, we're just going to be talking about things that I would have done when first starting. Well, not first starting, but you know what I mean, like established in trading. So I wish I found out about a copy trader. Why is my screen acting up? Anyways, brother. Alright, sorry for the technical difficulties, but I will give a shout out to this channel. Thank y'all for the 6 subs. Made this account 13 hours ago. Started uploading my first video, so I just want to say thank y'all for the 6 subs. So I'm trying to click onto my fund and futures, but for some reason it won't let me show it with my camera on. It's starting to make me mad, but pretty much my fund and futures is a broker that I would recommend. I try to show you like the funded accounts, etc., but I had to record that portion 4 times and it won't show my camera. So I'm not the best editor. I don't feel like doing that. I'm sorry, but definitely recommend my fund and futures. Now, let me see if I click on it one more time. Actually, no, I'm scared. My camera turned off again. Brother. So this is a blown account, so I don't really care if y'all see that UVEX number, but this is one of the first accounts I probably bought with my fund and futures. So April 15th. So yeah, I can show y'all the other past ones. Some of those were recent. Probably shouldn't blur that in there, but might have to edit that portion, but whatever. Just don't finesse me. But look at the failed ones. See, most YouTubers will hide this stuff. Look at this. I failed way more than I passed. Most people are so scared to show this information. I will not hide nothing. I'm fully transparent. Look at this. And mind you, I traded it live too, so like I would just do fundeds on the side. Some of it was just impulsive buys. So this is what not following your rules looks like. I will never sugarcoat anything. Look. And obviously you can tell that's way more than probably 100 blown accounts. Or 90, whatever. So yeah. Please stay disciplined. Please stay disciplined. Alright, so we are back. Now, I will be going over my day trading plan, monthly plan. Gotta have a trading goal, how much you want to make every month, 10K, 20K, 30K, so on and so forth. So I just have mine at 30K just to keep myself accountable. I mean, obviously people make way more money than me. Once again, Who cares? We have to start somewhere. So utilizing the high volatile days, just trading Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday actually helps out tremendous for me and my trading plan because I am an advanced supply and demand levels trader, whatever. So Mondays and Fridays typically aren't the best for me to trade, especially mentally wise. Just like Fridays, the end of the week, you're trying to rush to win. So I just prefer not because I just lose so much on Mondays, Fridays. So that being said, I just trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. Here's my goals. So just simply catching, 200 tick moves with one con, that's $1,000. And if you copy trade using Tradesyncer, that's 3 accounts you could buy, right? That's $3K a day. So I just try to, keep it low to the minimum. So 12 standard trading days. I'll let y'all read some of this if y'all want. Yep. And this is how I track all of it. What actual profit I'll get. So I just reset this every month, blah, blah, blah. And I'll start like that. And yeah, so another thing I want to talk about when first starting to really dive deep into trading, you got your strategy, you got everything set up, you're just ready to start, being profitable. Don't rush. I know that sounds cliche, everyone will tell you that, but honestly, do not rush, and I'll explain that. So when I graduated, this was back when I traded Forex, had a little cockiness to me. I was making $1,000 a day before second period as a senior. And I was making a lot of money, and then I just kept losing and losing and losing. And then by the summertime came, I was like, okay, I got to run it back. Just graduated, my back against the wall. I don't want to get a real job. I want to just keep making money. And so I worked so hard to, I resell, close, all of it. I made money, and I made good profits back in the market, but I gave it all back to the market, never withdrawal, etc. And please do not let your age or your circumstances try to rush, because the market does not care about what you have going on at home. They don't care that you need a car, house, whatever. Please take your time. A lot of the times people will try to rush because they want status, because who doesn't want to say they are 18 years old with $450,000 in funding? Because you have, 3 accounts, 150K is 450. Who doesn't want to say that? But if you rush to get to that title, you will lose it just as fast as you got it. So I will say, do not put a time on your success. Just simply show up every single day. If you focus too much on the past, it'll get in your head. If you focus too much on the future, you will also get in your head. Just take it day by day, and your results will come so much quicker than everyone else who constantly feeds their brain with all this dopamine by scrolling on TikTok all day long, looking at people withdrawing 30K payouts in a day, etc., beating themselves up. Just stick to it day by day. And last thing I want to say is that if you guys want me to make a video on my actual strategy, I can't make it too in-depth because it does have some confluences that are like paid subscriptions, etc. But I can give you guys just an idea of just the basic supply and demand stuff and how I do it. Slightly different than a normal supply and demand. I don't use Fibonacci, none of that stuff, but yeah, I can just comment. What word should it be? Comment the word method. Comment the word method, and I'll make a video on that if that's something you guys are interested in. If not, just say you suck or something. I don't know. But yeah, that will conclude my video. If you guys have any questions or comments, concerns, just put them on this video, and I'll respond back ASAP. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be 2 Dead Archives. I just made a brand new account the other day as well. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see that. 2 Dead Archives. Yeah, just please run me up. I have a single follower. I look like a bot, so I promise me. I will not DM you first, so please do not respond to scams, etc. in the future in case I blow up in the future. When I blow up, you gotta, have a positive outlook. I will not DM you first, so yeah, that's about it. Enjoy y'all's day. Happy Easter.